To book a nice and good accommodation in Singapore City, you can follow these steps. Research. Start by researching different neighborhoods in Singapore City to determine which area suits your preferences and budget. Consider factors such as proximity to attractions, public transportation, and safety. Set a budget. Determine your budget for accommodation. Singapore offers a range of options from budget hostels to luxury hotels, so it's essential to have a clear idea of how much you're willing to spend. Choose the type of accommodation. Decide whether you prefer a hotel, serviced apartment, guest house, or hostel. Each type of accommodation offers different amenities, services, and price ranges. Use online booking platforms. Websites such as Booking.com, Agoda, Expedia, and Airbnb are popular platforms for booking accommodations. Enter your travel dates, preferred location, and budget to browse available options. Read reviews and ratings. Once you find accommodations that meet your criteria, read reviews and ratings from previous guests. This can give you a better idea of the quality, cleanliness, and overall experience of staying at a particular place. Compare prices and amenities. Compare prices, amenities, and services offered by different accommodations. Look for amenities that are important to you, such as Wi-Fi, breakfast, gym, pool, or a kitchenette. Contact the accommodation if you have specific questions or requirements. Consider contacting the accommodation directly through email or phone. They can provide additional information and clarify any doubts you may have. Book in advance. Singapore is a popular tourist destination, so it's advisable to book your accommodation well in advance, especially during peak travel seasons or major events. Check cancellation policies before making a reservation. Review the cancellation policies of the accommodation. Ensure that you understand the terms and conditions, in case you need to make changes or cancel your booking. Secure your booking. Once you have made your decision, proceed with the booking by providing the necessary details, such as your name, contact information, and payment information. Keep confirmation details after completing the booking process. Make sure to save or print the confirmation details. This will serve as proof of your reservation and can be useful during check-in. Remember to always verify the credibility of the accommodation provider, and consider any specific requirements or preferences you may have during your stay. By following these steps, you should be able to book a nice and good accommodation in Singapore City. Subscribe and like. Thank you.